This is Movietone. Lionel Gamlin reporting. Flying back to London Airport after their unsuccessful visit to Rio, Britain's World Cup team has come home. It couldn't have been a very cheerful occasion for the footballers, however glad they were to be back, for the high hopes with which they'd set out had been well and truly shattered. Their failure, especially against America, is largely put down to poor shooting. Well, anyway, there it is, a big disappointment for all concerned. This is what Billy Wright had to say.
I say how disappointed that we are that we haven't brought the World Cup back with us, but now that we are here, we're going to have a darn good rest. Well, I am anyway.
Dennis Compton, acting as